New from Trimax Mowing Systems. Unyielding, unshakable, unstoppable. The Trimax Force is a force to be reckoned with. Stronger than ever to handle your toughest jobs and more manoeuvrable for a closer cut. Designed and built in New Zealand, backed by 40 years of experience. With an unprecedented range of options available to increase versatility and expand usability. The Trimax Force can be perfectly customised for your mowing and mulching needs. It can even be configured as a front-mounted mower for maximum visibility. The adjustable rear flap controls the coarseness of mulch and ensures safe discharge, and opens completely for easy access to the rotor. Or equip the Force with pruning rakes for an extra boost to its mulching performance. Spend less time on maintenance than ever before with maintenance-free sealed roller bearings and automatic belt tensioning, quick access grease points, and built-in rotor wrap protection. Designed to be the safest in the industry and backed by Trimax's industry-leading service, including local parts supply and service support and access to digital Trimax resources at your fingertips. Do more with the Trimax Force. Book a demo today.